Hello, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can access your organization's Microsoft 365 data from an Android mobile device, whether it's a smartphone or a tablet. In this specific example, we'll walk you through setting up your work emails using the Microsoft Outlook app. This guide applies to situations where your organization has enabled Mobile Application Management, or MAM for short. If you're unfamiliar with this concept, Mobile Application Management allows your organization to protect and manage corporate data on your mobile device without affecting your personal apps or information. It acts like a ring fence around company data, ensuring sensitive work information stays secure by preventing it from being shared outside of approved environments, even if you're using the same app for both personal and work accounts. For instance, if you have both personal and work emails in one app, the solution will only interact with, see, and manage the work-related content, leaving your personal data completely untouched, unseen, and private. Please rest assured knowing that your organization cannot manage or control your device itself, only the corporate data within the apps it protects. It's also worth noting that MAM works exclusively with Microsoft applications, meaning you'll need to use apps like Microsoft Outlook for email rather than third-party or built-in email apps to access your work data. Ready? Let's get started. First, you'll need to ensure the Intune Company Portal app is installed. If it's not already on your device, you can easily download and install it from the Google Play Store. Just open the Play Store, search for Intune Company Portal and download it. Once installed, you'll find it available on your phone. Please do not open the Intune Company Portal application and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account, as this will trigger your device to enroll into the organization's device management solution. The app simply needs to be installed on your phone and left untouched. The next step is to download and install the relevant Microsoft mobile applications that you desire access to. As mentioned earlier, MAM works exclusively with Microsoft applications, meaning you'll need to use apps like Microsoft Outlook for email rather than third-party or built-in email apps to access your work data. As we'll be setting up work emails in this video guide, we'll opt to download and install the Microsoft Outlook application via the Play Store. Once your desired Microsoft application has been installed, please open it and then click Add Account. Next, enter and sign in with your Microsoft 365 username and password. During this process, you may be asked what email provider you are using. If so, select Office 365. Please continue to follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and sign into your work account. Depending on your organization's configuration, you may be prompted to satisfy multi-factor authentication during the sign-in process. If you are, please satisfy the request. Once your Microsoft 365 account has been successfully authenticated, you will be prompted to register your device. Please note that this does not grant your organization any management or control over your handset. This is purely for registration purposes to enable the mobile application management protection to occur and is not a method of device enrollment into a corporate management solution. Please click Register to proceed. Once your work account has been successfully added, Mobile Application Management will begin enabling itself for your work account on your mobile device, as illustrated within the messaging on screen. Once the protection has finished applying, you may be asked whether you'd like to add another account. Please select Maybe Later at this screen. When prompted by the Get Access screen, please click Continue to proceed. Depending on your organization's configuration, you may be requested to configure a PIN code to access your work data within the application in question. This PIN code is in addition to any lock screen PIN code or biometric you may have already configured on your handset itself and will only be requested from time to time by your work account in any in-scope application. If your organization requires a PIN code, please define one now. Please ensure it's something memorable. You have now successfully set up the Microsoft Outlook application for your work emails with Mobile Application Management enabled. Please repeat this process for any other applications you require, such as Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, or SharePoint. This section only applies if you have your work account configured in a non-Microsoft application that accesses Microsoft 365 services such as your emails. If this applies to you, we will now need to remove it. In this example, we are going to remove a work account from the Google Mail application, also known as Gmail, which is commonly found on Android devices. To do this, we'll first open the Gmail app and then click the top left-hand menu icon to open the navigation bar. Within here, we'll scroll down and click Settings. Next, click the three dotted options icon in the top right and then select Manage Accounts. Identify the account which reflects your work email, then click to open it. Finally, click Remove Account and then confirm the action when prompted. And that's it. You've now successfully configured a Microsoft application with your work account, as well as removed your work account from a non-Microsoft application that accesses Microsoft 365 services. Let's now take a quick tour around the Microsoft Outlook mobile application. First, if your organization requires a PIN code to access work data within a protected Microsoft application, please satisfy that requirement when opening the application in question. Once Outlook is opened, you'll be greeted by the main screen, which is also where your inbox will be displayed. You can click the New Email button in the bottom left-hand corner to draft a new email, a new event, or schedule a Teams call. Using the tabs at the bottom of the application, you can navigate through different interfaces such as Calendar, Feed, and Apps. Within your Outlook calendar, you can use the View button in the top right to change how the calendar displays itself, for example, by week, day, or month view. Again, you can use the New Event button in the left-hand corner to draft or schedule a new message or event. Browsing back to the Email tab, which is also the main screen, you can use the search icon at the top to search for your messages, meetings, files, and contacts. To browse through your mailbox folders, you can click the menu icon in the top left-hand corner, where you will see familiar folders such as Drafts, Sent, and Deleted. In this same view, you can click the Settings cog icon in the bottom left corner to explore some of the more advanced options of the application. Within here, you can see the accounts you have set up and configure a number of settings such as your default email address, your email signature, and any notification settings. The layout here may differ depending on the device you have. If you'd like to add another email account to the application or would like to add a shared mailbox, you can do so by clicking Add Email Account and then selecting the appropriate option. If you don't see the Add Email Account option, you may need to locate and select the Accounts option first. When adding a shared mailbox, simply enter the email address associated with the mailbox that you have access to and then proceed through the on-screen instructions. And there we have it. You're ready to go. Thank you for watching the video and following the steps. If you require any further assistance, please reach out via your usual support channels. Thank you and goodbye.